Hey everybody, it's Ace here with Ace's Takes. Welcome to my channel where we talk about the things we are loving in our home, jewelry, handbags, EDC items, you name it. Today is one for our luxury people. We are doing a small leather good from Hermès, so please grab yourself something to drink, sit back and relax. I have my Della Cavalleria Élan bag that is in peppermint vert, the green color with gold hardware. And I was looking for a small leather good to go in here. I'm mixing brands right now. Currently what I am carrying is the Louis Vuitton business card holder. I really don't carry cash, I don't carry coin, but I carry a few cards and that's it. I do love my husband's Calvi card holder that he got in New York in the alligator. However, I want my own, right? So this is a perfect size. I think it goes great. We went in Japan to look for a small leather good that would match. And I was not sure because the colors are sometimes different. I was not sure and didn't purchase anything. We went to Hermès on Saturday in San Francisco and looked at a variety of wallets. We looked at the Calvi card holder. We looked at the Calvi Duo card holder, Duo Compact. And we also looked at, I don't know the name of it. I'll put a picture up here in hot pink. It was very cute. And we came home with the Calvi Duo Compact card holder in the fauve color, which I'm really excited about. We looked at a variety of colors. Oh, I'm sorry. I forgot to mention this video is sponsored by my husband because he loves me. Thank you. Hermès orange box. Love it. Very nice. It will match the one that holds his. This is great. There were a variety of colors and a variety of textures of leather. And I decided I wanted to go with an Epsom. And I looked at the black. I couldn't decide between just the Calvi card holder and the Duo. And we went with the Duo. And it's an orange color. And I just loved it. I thought the color was great. We asked which leather would hold up the best. And Epsom was the one that they recommended. Now, they don't match. There was a wallet that had gray on the outside and this color on the inside, but you didn't see it. It actually was more of like a tannish brown, and I didn't love it. But I do love that the materials are the same, and this has a pop of color so that you can see it when you're looking for it in your wallet. I was torn between the Calvi card holder and the Duo because for me, I'm thinking I just need something that is simple. And the one thing that our amazing sales associate said, or client advisor, was that sometimes because of the material, sometimes the cards would slide around. I mean, granted, you're going to close it, but she said that sometimes you can kind of get things lost. And with the Duo, you have a snap pocket here and then the closure. Okay, this is 2.8 inches by 4.1 inches by 0.5 inches. The standard Calvi card holder has the same dimensions, but it does not list a width on the website. One of the things that Lana, amazing, mentioned was that you could put some bills back here. You can put your cards here, but then you have your snap compartment, which you can put coins in. And then she said also, you can pull it up. And I thought that that was genius. Just was like, wow, wait, hold on a second. So she gave you the option to move it up. And then you can't close it that way, but she said it was something that did move. So that was something that I thought was really cool. I'm gonna push it back down and snap it. And it fits, just folds right back into place here. So I could put some dollars here if I wanted to, or receipts. I'm a receipt girl. Put coins in here if I need to, or maybe my credit cards in here and then my driver's license up here. That would work. I think it's compact, it's perfect in comparison to the Louis Vuitton, which just fell out of my lap. the business card holder. The Louis Vuitton was just a little bit taller and actually a little bit thicker because of the snap closure. And I really do not have a lot in here. And if you open it up, you can see that the Louis Vuitton is just a little bit taller, which makes sense because it's a little bit taller when it's closed as well. I'm glad that I don't have to mix brands now and that I do have an SLG that will work in this bag. I'm really excited about it. It's handmade. I love it. This was priced at $600. Different leathers, I believe, have different cost or price points. And the Epsom that was in just the Calvi card holder rather than the Duo was $510 right now. You can buy these online. When I was looking, there were 12 different colors that I could see. But now we have matching, not almost matching because his is the Duo, or his is not the Duo and mine is. I don't know that they made a Duo in this when we were there, but this was stunning. Love it. I'm really excited. How many of you have used these? What are your thoughts? Is there anything that I need to keep in mind or consider? I am pleased with the color combo. I think the color combo is great. And I'm not somebody who needs a long wallet. I'm not carrying my checkbook with me. I'm not doing things like that. So I think that this is perfect for me. And I'm glad that we popped in. It was a great experience. Thanks for watching, y'all.